Are you looking for a simple, profitable business that almost anyone can start in the United States? Well, in today's video, I'll show you how you can build a successful junk removal business from scratch, with low startup costs, huge demand, and plenty of growth opportunities. Stay tuned because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what steps you need to take to start and scale your own junk removal company. First, let's talk about why junk removal is such a smart business idea. Every year, Americans throw away millions of tons of furniture, appliances, electronics, and household items. Homeowners are renovating, people are moving, and businesses are constantly upgrading their spaces. That means there is always junk that needs to be hauled away, and many people are willing to pay good money just to have their unwanted items removed quickly and responsibly. In fact, junk removal services in the U.S. generate billions of dollars each year, and the industry is still growing. So, how much money do you need to get started? The truth is, it depends on your budget. At the very minimum, you'll need a truck or a large trailer. This is your biggest investment. Basic tools like gloves, a dolly, and straps. Dumping fees or recycling costs. If you already own a pickup truck, you can start for just a few $1,000s. If you want to go bigger, you can invest in a branded truck, uniforms, and advertising. But remember, you don't need to spend a fortune in the beginning. Start small and reinvest your profits as you grow. Here's a step-by-step plan to launch your junk removal business. 1. Register your business. Choose a simple name and register it legally in your state. 2. Get insurance, protect yourself and your customers in case of accidents. 3. Get your truck ready. Even a basic pickup truck works in the beginning. 4. Set your prices. Most junk removal businesses charge based on the size of the load, usually between $100 to $600 per job. 5. Advertise locally. Create a simple website, list your services on Google Business Profile, and use platforms like Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, and local community groups. Remember, word of mouth is powerful. Once you do a good job, customers will recommend you to their friends and family. Once you've done a few jobs, it's time to think bigger. You can partner with real estate agents and property managers. Offer specialized services like estate cleanouts or construction debris removal. Recycle and resell items. Sometimes you can make extra money by selling metal, appliances, or furniture you collect. As your reputation grows, you can hire employees, add more trucks, and even franchise your business. So there you have it, a complete guide to starting a junk removal business in the USA. It's a business with low barriers to entry, strong demand, and the potential to grow into a 6- or even 7-figure company. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more business ideas, and let me know in the comments. Would you start a junk removal business in your city?